Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and if you didn't know, Friday before Labor Day, I received my Lone Star Grillz Pellet Grill. It is now Saturday, and we have, I think there's going to be about 25 people over tonight. So we're going to give this a workout. I won't be doing much narrating. I just want to show you the cooks we're going to do on it. You're going to probably just see some pictures because with all the people around here, it's nearly impossible to actually do a video. And anyway, just wanted to show you the Friday I did the burn off. Today, I'm going to give it a workout. All right, so check out all these cooks. All right, we're doing a couple of spare ribs cut St. Louis style, so that way I would have rib tips so that I can make some pulled pork out of them. Here they are on the Lone Star Grillz Pellet Grill, getting full of smoke. The rib tips will be on there for an hour. And then we're going to throw some tray of bacon in there and get some smoke on the bacon for our barbecue, smoked barbecue beans. Starting to load this grill up. Time to take off the rib tips. Been on for an hour. Next we've got some cheese dip. There's our barbecue beans. I'm going to end up taking these out to make room. There's our ribs, and I put the beans in my Pit Boss Tailgater because we needed room to put 18 green chili burgers on the Lone Star Grill. Yep, we fit 18. These are pretty good sized patties. We fit 18 of them up here on the top shelf. Look at that. Man, these were good. They were spicy too. We had hot green chilies on those. And we actually had to do our chicken and wings on the SBS smoker. Because we wanted everything to finish at the same time. We got our rib tips, we got our burgers, smoked burgers, and there's our chicken off the SBS. Time to flip them. And so good. Look at the nice char marks on there. We got this cranked up to 300 degrees. Then we got to check them. Got to get them temped out. Check this out. 170, 78, 180 on those thighs, 183. These wings, we had them up there. These were 195. Time to pull these off. Get these sauced up. And of course, you know, got to use Uncle Steve's sauce with no name on this chicken. I just dumped this whole bottle on that chicken. And here's our ribs. That's the gunpowder on the ribs. Sure Shot Sid's gunpowder and the honey barbecue. Oh, these were so good. Nice smoke ring there. Man. All right, it is Sunday after everybody was here. Oh my gosh, we had the food, we had the family. Everybody here was family. And man, we had such a great time. Anyway, thanks for watching. And stick around because we're going to do some actual cooks with instructions on my new Lone Star pellet grill soon. Have a great day.